Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to use one variable from one Python script to other Python script. Okay, so I have here two scripts, script 1 and script 2. So I will define a variable in script 1 now. Let's define a simple function, func c equal to 10. Okay, and I will call that function here. Okay, so when I run this script, value 10 is stored in the C, right? Let's run the script. Okay. So value 10 is stored in the C. Now I want to use the C in script 2 and print it. Okay. So let's try to print it. Print C. Okay. Let's see. So C is not defined. Okay guys, it's not recognizing C. So what we have to do? First we have to import script 1 into the script 2. Okay, import script 1 into script 2 and let's run this again. Still is saying C is not defined. Okay, so what we have to do in script 1, we have to define it as a global. Okay, global C. Okay, then come to script 2 and run it. Still C is not defined, it is saying. Okay, so whenever you are calling from one script to other script, we have to use that script before C. Okay, let's type script 1 dot C. Now you are calling variable C from script 1. Okay guys, so let's see the output now. 10. Okay, so like this you have to use one variable from one script to other script. You have to remember that you have to define it as a global in the first script, and second script you have to import it and use the syntax script1 dot C. Then it will print C value which is defined in script 1. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.